Hey students, let's look at some futures trading this week. Again, trying to get everybody trading. This is a major grade for you, like an exam grade. So just really trading and following along is going to be one way you can get a lot of points. Of course, making the most money you can is really an easy metric to do. So a lot of people have been trading some pretty aggressive things like the energies or even some of the indices, especially the stock market move today. Some of you may have put yourselves in good positions. So those things are a little more radical. I really like to focus on some of the core commodities like corn and cattle and hogs. So I'm going to show you today on what I see in the market, show you the strategies that I've been using, and just try to help you along to see if you can do the same. Let's take a look. All right, I'm going to start with CME Group, and I am going to go to the agricultural data right there, choose agriculture, get off into the agricultural products. I am trying to get to corn. In fact, let me choose markets and agriculture, and that's the way that I've gotten here most of the time. And I slide through, and then you start to get into the commodities to be showing. Right there is corn. I click on corn futures. It brings me right to the quotes. Now, as I go through here, you can see the December contracts, one we've been working with. I pull up the chart. As we've been doing, we're going to use the Keltner bands to get those added in, the Keltner channels. And here is what we see on the market. This was the momentum that Jeff Quino talks about. I think if I remember right, we played the retraction for a little while and made a little money. And then we're looking at turning that around and going back long, hoping that the market will continue in that direction. If I back off in the history a little bit, it is really high, but it's been this high in the past. And so it's not really too scary. The market is cyclical, of course. What we can see is it traded outside those Keltner channels. It's retraced back. And if you look here, it's done something very similar in the past. So we're hoping for this momentum. So I'm looking at a buy position, trying to get money to profit on the upside as the market might move up to the higher, the mid $44 range. All right, let's jump over to Stock Track, and I have my open positions. I've actually started this trade a while back on December corn. It's a buy because I have positive 8 contracts. I'm already into that. Looks like I'm making a little over $2,000. I could go ahead and take that profit, but it's not really a very high return. I'm tied up quite a bit of my margin money, but I'm going to go ahead and double down on this. This is called pyramiding. If you're ever making money, you can take that profit and put it into more contracts. So what I'm going to do in Stock Track is I'm going to use the trade button not to get out, which is normally what you'd be doing here is getting out. So Stock Track says, so you want to sell these? I'm like, nope, I'm going to buy some more actually. So I'm going to follow through here and go find the grains. I'm going to go find the corn contract. I'm looking at a December corn for 2020. It's got my 8 contracts in there that I've already got. I'm going to keep 8 more, and I'm going to go ahead. The market's open right now. I'm going to stick this in. So in the trade notes, you're going to do more than me, but I am going to say that I am going to pyramid the cost. I don't know if that's how you spell pyramid or not. No, but that's close. Pyramid the cost to plan for higher prices to make money. Now you will put something in here like I'm going to use pyramiding to hopefully increase the Keltner bands, show upward potential momentum. So I am adding to my contract position, or for you it could be a new position right now. But I'm going to go ahead and hit confirm, and that's going to get me in a little bit deeper on my contracts. In fact, if I go to my open positions, it may already have them. And it does. It's got me 16 contracts in. I've taken some of my profit away. It's only $16.25. But if we keep watching this market, hopefully it'll continue to move. If it gets out of these Keltner channels and starts moving up, I'm really going to watch it. And I might even talk about stop losses to get me out if it comes back down. But I'm hoping once we break that Keltner channel that what we see is this kind of a reaction right here. And that would create a ton of profit. In fact, you can see this started here at like 372 and somebody wrote it up to 419. If we do some quick math right quick, wherever my phone is, oh, it's right in front of me. 372 to 419, that would be 372 minus 419. Oh no, 372, yeah, 419, that's it. That is 47 cents times a 5,000 contract. That's a little over 2,300 per contract. I'm 16 contracts in. That's $37,000 that potential might have made. So I'm hoping I'll have the same result, but we can see. That's the idea of it. All right, coming back here to StockTrack, it is important to trade. And that's my best thing I can show you. Let me go to the portfolio rankings right now of everyone. And I haven't been being a good trader, but we've got Jace, which I think was on top at one time. 51 trades, doing a great job. He's earned over $68,000. That's a 13.75% return, Jace, in a short couple of month period of time. Annualized, you're talking about 5 times or 4 times that maybe in annual earnings. So that's pretty good. I've got some other folks in here that have done really well. 30 trades for Reagan, making a little over $31,000 off what they started with. Christina, with only 5 trades, making $13,000. That's not bad for the number of trades. However, Christina, you've got to have more trades in here before you're going to get a good grade on this or an A. But you've got the money. Just get some more trades in. Be short with your trades and be careful. Keep moving through here. We've got a lot of people that are not trading. Gage is not trading, and we've got to get you trading, Gage. Brianna is not trading. We've got to get you guys trading. You've got to get started. Everyone can see these ranks. Now you get down here to the bottom, and we have some folks like myself that aren't doing very good with my money right now. I'm not getting graded, and I've got way more trades than a lot of you. Now some of you have got decent amounts of trades, maybe a little bit low. Those of you that are in a bind here, here's 52 trades and losing some money. Keep hustling through these trades. It's good that you've got trades, but try to turn this stuff around. I don't know what commodities that you're in here, Will, but we've got to get some trades done. All right, so hopefully this video helps you guys see where the market is right now today, in corn anyway, and a strategy that I think could be a good one, so I'm throwing it out there. Look for other similar opportunities in the markets, and this is the test grade, so get to trading. Thanks.